Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to the series of videos in which we are showing you how we can integrate Microsoft Outlook with our dashboard, which is having a front end on Excel, whereas the back end on the back end we have Microsoft AccessDB. Yeah. So a simple structure which take care of all the due activities, day to day, year to year, month to month, or monthly, or fortnightly, or any for a given date. If there is any activity. So the user can get registered into the database through the email. They send the email, and instantly the email reaches to the database. This dashboard gets activated, and it uh, while it is keeping watch on the outlooks, as soon as a folder which is expected, which is created to receive it. So this is the folder which it watches. So as soon as the item comes into this folder, so it means it is having the predefined subject and the contents of the okay. So then the system takes this request, which is incoming from the user, and then it actions the request, right? It actions the request. So the currently we have almost completed the creation of the user scenario, in which we have created so many means so many accounts have been created through email. So this was sent through the Outlook, and although the email address was mentioned, this since so the system ignores any email address which is other than the address from which this request is being sent. So this request will be ignored, but the actual email address which will be considered will be through which it is being sent, right? If it is being sent from this Gmail account, then it will be used. So if there is any change, then that you cannot send a request or to create a new user having email address which is not yours, right? So the email address will have to be exactly the one from which it is being sent, right? So this is a check in it. So this ensures so that we do not get a misleading request coming from the chance is that some people may cause the problems for the privacy of the other people. They start coming receiving the report because the wrong email address was given, right? So this is a check-in here that the email address will have to be your own email address, not somebody else's email address. So this is the thing which we have done it. Now let's try that we, although, okay, we have been doing it from the Gmail. Let's try to send a save. So for sending a new dashboard creation, dashboard report, create a user account, we got to have a template. So this is the template scene. So we control C, make a selection, do the control C, so copy it, and we create a new email. So this time our email address is our Outlook, right? So we are sending to our Outlook as well. So when we will send, so it will come in, and the program will take the control of it, right? And will action the report. So let's change the name here. Okay, let's change it. Say, for example, we say Jim Norton. Okay, and the starting date, you can see it, for example, let's make it 2017, right? And unperforming, say, from 1st January 2017 until, say, 30 November. November. Okay, so this is the part which we are uh, marking it as these are that is going to create the backlog. So let's make it 21. Okay, and then from where what is the starting date of clearing backlog, right? So let's, for example, we started from August. So this is just the date of a stamp, data stamp, which will be done when we send the transaction request, for example. So the first transaction will be stamped as 1st August, and then it will can carry on, right? So the title of the report can also be changed. So let it be like this, and we do one more thing is that this is the very important thing that the address has to be the subject has to be exactly is predefined. This is the predefined subject, right? So this has to be correct. Okay, so this is the new dashboard request. This time, since you are using this Outlook address, and you are sending it through the Outlook address, so this part of your request will be overridden with the email address which through which this was sent. So the response email will come to this email, right? Not to this, right? So this is a check, integrity check. We have made it, and that would save us from the complaints that the users who did not want to have all these email dashboard reports, and they start getting the email address. So we have stopped this from occurring, right? So this will not occur. So let's send it. So this email, as soon as it reaches to the inbox, and in the 45 seconds, the system will get it. It will be landed into this, and the system will activate automatically. It will action the request, and then it will be added into the accounts. Right, the account will be created in the name of Jim Norton, and this email will be moved to the user created as soon as the action is complete. Right, at the moment the system is waiting, and as soon as the 45-second span is over, so it will action this request, right? So let's see the Excel view. This is the Excel view, and you will soon see that you will have, it has started working automatically, and you will see a new user name will appear here, a new graph, and the email will be sent, right? So don't So the email is being composed, and it is sent to the right address, not onto the address which was wrongly written in the request. So that will be ignored automatically, and it will be sent to the right address, not ignored. And this is the status. Now let's see, and that do we have an email which was sent? Yes, and we have the email, right? You will see that Tim Norton email will come and will be landed in here. You can expedite the send and receive procedure so that the email comes. So this is the email. This is the email, which is Jim Norton. Yeah, the user has been created. That much backlog is on his part, and later on, as and when he clears the backlog, he would be sending the requesting, and the database will be updated, and the revised report will come to him immediately on the same email address through which he requested. Right. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.